This recipe is for pimento cheese stuffed jalapeno poppers. Yes, they're the best. You make pimento cheese, stuff it into jalapenos, and cram it in the air fryer. And don't at me, I am from the South, and this pimento cheese is gonna get made with cream cheese, and don't at me. So I'm starting with about 1.5 ounces of softened cream cheese. You can use low fat. Why? Why do you use low fat? I have no clue. And to that, I'm gonna add about 1.5 ounces of shredded, sharp cheddar cheese. And I've also got in here about 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder. I'm gonna put it all in there. There you go. And then what is pimento cheese without pimentos? This is about 1/2 tablespoon. And then you want to just mush this up and turn it into something like pimento cheese, but it's got cream cheese in it. I know, don't kill me. And just mush it up. Okay, so then you have to deal with the jalapenos. I have 4 fresh jalapenos, and this is what you do to them. You cut them in half through the stem. I'm gonna take a little spoon and take out all the seeds and these membranes. I'm already starting to cough because they are a bit hot. And let me remind you before you go on in this recipe to wash your hands. Do not touch your face, or don't go to Pornhub before you wash your hands. Okay, we're back from Pornhub, and here's how to do it and how to get it done. It's gonna involve a 2-bowl setup, and we're gonna have to stuff those jalapenos with that cream cheese we made. So what I want you to do is I want you to put an egg, a large egg, in a bowl, and I don't know, 2-3 tablespoons of milk, and then whisk it. And I mean whisk it good. This needs to be uniform. No bits of chicken abortion left in here. See that? Perfect. Now, it's time to stuff the jalapeno poppers. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some of that cream cheese mixture I made, and I'm gonna fill each one. Okay, they are now filled. They are ready to go. Pick up one of the, see, vaguely filled jalapenos, put it in the egg mixture and turn it round and round and round and round. Drop it in. These are seasoned, Italian seasoned breadcrumbs, and roll it around. And in this case, press it a little bit so that it really sticks. It's gonna be hard to get it to be perfect, but work on it. And you'll see the back doesn't coat as well as the top. That's okay, no worries. Okay, I filled them up, and now I have to go through and spray. I know you're thinking, why use an air fryer if I am going to put fat on these things? You always need a little fat in order to help things get crunchy. So I put a paper towel down just so I don't get spray everywhere, because I get things everywhere. We're back to that Pornhub stuff. I get things everywhere, and you know, it feels like that this should just be easily sprayed. More in this case the tops than the bottoms. So what you want to do is fire up your air fryer now, get it to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So what I want to do is I'm going to put these inside the air fryer, the filling side up, and then I'm just going to layer these in here. That's great. Back in 8 minutes, undisturbed, and they'll be ready. Good enough? Oh, look at that. It is good enough. Now, these things are super hot. So I'm just gonna leave them in here, and I'm gonna cool these for a minute, and then I'm gonna taste one. Oh, look, my assistant, AKA my husband, has brought me water. You know that water doesn't do anything to calm the heat of hot things, right? It does nothing. Iced tea does nothing. The only thing that calms capsaicin and the hot stuff in chilies is fat. Buttered tortillas, whole milk, fat. That kills the burn. And I'm gonna taste one, and I'm a little scared because they were so hot they were burning my eyes, but you know, hey, what can I tell you? Oh, come on. Listen, give me that crunch. They're nice and hot, they're delicious, they're cheesy, they're creamy, they're made in an air fryer. Who wouldn't want more of this? And they're like, oh my God. Okay, go away. I'm taking these to bed with me, and I'll see you later. Our book is The Instant Air Fryer Bible. Buy it wherever you buy books, and otherwise, see ya.